Did you know that you can access your home computer on your Android device over the internet? Yes, if you want to remotely complete a task on your computer, Google's Chrome Remote Desktop is one of the easiest ways to do this. All you need to do is set up Chrome Remote Desktop on your computer. To do so, navigate to the Chrome Remote Desktop website. Click Remote Access. Log into your Google account. Click the Download button to add the extension to the Chrome browser. Here, enter a name for your computer. And click Next. Create a PIN. You'll need that PIN in order to access the computer remotely. That's just about it. Chrome Remote Desktop service runs in the background. That means the computer will remain available anytime it is powered on. Just remember to keep your home PC connected to the internet at all times. Now, for mobile access, you need to download the Chrome Remote Desktop application on your Android phone. If your phone is signed in to the same Google account you used on your computer, the app will automatically show the computer. You can connect to it with one quick tap and a typing of your PIN. Now you get remote access to your computer on your Android device. You can move around your screen. Click and run any application you want. And generally, just use the computer as if you were sitting in front of it.